Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 1 to 7, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. So let's see, Pisces. What's up? What's coming to you? Anong ganap ngayong July 1 to 7? Overall energy, the Four of Pentacles. This is financial stability. Maaring ang isa sa focus mo this week is to save money. No? Gusto mong mag-ipon, hindi ka masyadong gagastos. And yung iba, pwedeng you are investing your money. Meron kang pinaglalaanan yan. Pwedeng gusto mong magsimula ng business or may pinag-iipunan kang bilhin. Your challenge is the Strength card. Oh, okay. So, yung iba, pwedeng in relation dun sa finances ninyo. Ang challenge ninyo is pagkakaroon ng disiplina sa sarili ninyo na kung ano yung kailangan nyong i-save. Dapat disiplinado ka na, i-save mo talaga. Okay? And this is courage, lakas ng loob. Maaaring meron kang mga plans na, mga bagong gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo na medyo nag-aalangan ka dahil hindi ka pa ganun ka-confident, no? So, I think that is something that you should work on, na you believe in yourself. Maniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan, okay? Your opportunity is the Daughter of Swords. This is learning. Maaring meron kang bagong knowledge na pag-aaralan this week, something interesting sa'yo. Yung iba naman, maaring merong opportunity for communication, pakikipag-usap sa isang tao na matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap in the past. Pwedeng magkukumustahan or meron kayong pag-uusapan na importante na pwedeng matagal nyo nang hindi hinaharap. Okay? So, your blessing is the Ace of Swords, which is clarity. Kaliwanagan ng isip mo. This is also decision making. Maaring meron kang pagdedesisyonan this week na mangangailangan ng iyong pag-aaral. No? So this is also good news for you, for some of you, kasi this is your blessing. So merong magandang balita na parating. Tignan natin in what area of your life tong good news na to. 11th house. So this is about your hopes, your dreams, yung mga goals mo sa buhay. Merong good news, maaring meron kang may ma-achieve ka na mga isa sa mga goals mo, unti-unti. It's already happening. 11th house is also, can be a leadership role para sa inyo. Pwedeng may promotion, ganyan. And if you are into social media, maaring may good news sa mga, let's say, YouTube channel mo, sa TikTok mo, sa Facebook mo, na meron kang potential to earn money. Okay? So, let's see, what is the Four of Pentacles? You have the Five of Wands. So, this is about competition. So, I feel like mas lalo kang ginaganahan ngayon. Mas nagiging competitive ka sa, maaring may mga inspiration ka sa paligid mo, na nakikita mo na, wow, buti pa sila na-achieve na nila yan. And you are taking it in a positive way. Kumbaga, yung reaction mo doon positively. Dahil nagiging inspiration mo yon to work harder, to be better. What is the Strength card? You have the Moon. Some of you, maaring meron kayong emotional na challenges ngayong week na to. Something that will make you feel sad, no? Pwedeng malulungkot ka or magiging emotional ka about a situation. In what area of life is this para sa Pisces? 6th house. So, this can mean sa workplace ninyo, pwedeng merong yung iba, binubuli kayo, o kaya merong misunderstanding within your coworkers, no? Iba naman related sa yung health, no? Maaring meron kang kailangang ayusin, i-work out sa iyong kalusugan. What is the Daughter of Swords? You have the Six of Cups. Oh, okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, you will receive a message from someone na you have encountered in the past. Pwedeng isang kaibigan, romantic partner. What is this? Anong communication from who? Fifth house. Oh, from your child, no? Kung meron ka ng anak, pwedeng kung matagal na kayo hindi nag-uusap, pwedeng magre-reach out sa'yo, or pwedeng ikaw magre-reach out ka sa kanya. Finally, pag-uusapan nyo na. I also see some, ito yung mga naudlot na romantic connections in the past na maaring ngayon babalik. Okay, babalik sa buhay mo. What is the Ace of Swords? The Justice card. Uy. So, some of you, kung you are involved sa mga court cases, I see you winning, no? Papabor sa'yo yung resulta ng court cases na yan. Yung iba naman sa inyo, kung meron kayong mga documentations, paperworks na inaayos, ayan ay maaasikaso nyo na. Kumbaga makukompleto nyo na ngayong week na to. Okay, let's see energies from your money, career, finances para sa mga Pisces. The boss. Oh, you are about to take bigger responsibilities. So, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay mapopromote, merong leadership role, magiging OIC kayo, or if you have a business, mas magiging malaki yung responsibility mo sa business mo. You are discovering yourself. You are trying something new. I think mas lalo mo pinapalawak yung mga opportunities sa harap mo. Hindi lang ikaw, hindi ka lang naghihintay kung anong darating. Ikaw mismo yung naghahanap. Some of you will use your talents, your skill set, especially if you are into arts, no, creative arts. Meron tong potential for you na magdala ng income. Diba? Magaling ka mag-painting. Yung mga paintings mo, maibibenta mo yan, pagkakakitaan mo. Yung iba naman, digital products, no? Digital art. Pwede mong ibenta rin yan. Diba? You have the Nine of Pentacles. This is financial stability, abundance, financial independence for you. Daughter of Pentacles. Wow, yung iba sa inyo magsisimula ng new business. And with the Wheel of Fortune, this is going to make some changes in your finances in a positive way. So, kung yung iba sa inyo, medyo parang hindi naging ganun kaganda yung takbo ng finances nyo in the past, ngayong week na to, things are picking up, no? Maraming options, opportunities for you dahil ikaw ay kumikilos, no? Ikaw yung nag-exert ng effort. You are looking for those opportunities. Sa love life, patience is the key. Sabotage. Okay. I feel like you are connecting with someone na parang nananadya na sa relationship. Alam mo yung tipong, alam niya na mali yung ginagawa niya, tapos uulitin pa, tapos magsusorry lang. Diba? Na talaga bang this person is feeling sorry for what this person has done to you sa mga ginawa niya? O talagang nananadya na lang siya? So, yung iba sa inyo, you're trying to be patient with this person. Can be romantic, friends, or sa family. But, I don't know. Four of Cups. Hindi na kayo kontento rito. Hindi na kayo masaya sa kanya. Two of Cups. And the Son of Swords. Okay. I think you will try to talk to this person. Kung bakit napakadali lang sa kanya na mag-sorry sa mga pagkukulang niya na paulit-ulit niyang ginagawa. Okay? But in the end, I think you will give this person a chance. No? Siyempre, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin na magde-decide niyan. Kung pagbibigyan mo. Some of you are going on a vacation, taking a vacation. May happiness. Happiness to sa fulfillment mo sa buhay. Nakukuha mo yung gusto mo, may mga na-achieve ka, nakikita mo na that you are growing. Financial pinch. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kailangang pagkagastosan na pwedeng unexpected, kaya you have to at least Be more careful, no? Sa paggastos mo na wag kang parang bibili ng mga bagay na hindi mo naman talaga kailangan. Oo. Para kung ano yung kailangan mo talagang paggagastusan, mapupunta talaga doon yung pera mo. 'Di ba? You need to defend yourself. Yeah. So this is you setting boundaries, giving yourself uh, protection. Ikaw mismo ang responsible for protecting yourself and protecting your energies. Kindness. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? Yes. Be kind to yourself. Minsan kasi nagsa-self-sabotage tayo eh. Na sarili mismo natin yung parang dinadown natin. And dapat tayo talaga yung nag-uplift sa ating sarili. Intention. What if the only resolution you made was to love yourself more? Oh my God, Pisces, it's all about loving yourself. Okay? So I think this week, this is also a self-care, self-love week for you. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.